Marker's on?
Yeah, it's on.
Alright, there you go. You probably have to back up for it. Guys, we're missing the excavator, so I got a video for you. Uncle Bob finishing the tree stump. There we go. First timber, then stump. Now he's going to probably drop it and get all the rest of the dirt out of it. There's gravity for you. What goes up must come down. Boom. Hey Nate, Julia. You guys should have came to see the big machine. I got a video for you. Probably gonna go put it in the burn pile over there. All the dirt off it. There we go. And there's a big burn pile. We'll throw it in it. There's a tree stump. Here we are. There's the burn pile way over here. We'll throw it in that pile over there and get rid of it. Used to be a big healthy tree. Now just a hole. There'll be a house here soon. That's how you get rid of a tree stump and a tree. There goes the tree stump. Let's see if we get it in the fire. Might not look naked, but the battery's dying. Think it'll burn? I think it'll burn eventually. Ashes to ash, dust to dust. Once was a tree, it's going to turn back to dust. Back to ashes. I think I gotta move when I get smoked.